So in November I purchased my first ever MacBook Pro, and no, it's not the one with the M1 chip. But at the time I was starting a new job and I was in need of a new laptop, so I thought, why not? I also wanted to start making YouTube videos, so this MacBook is still powerful enough to do so. But this video isn't so much about the MacBook Pro itself, but more so about the items and accessories that will go along with it. Right now I'm in the process of creating my home desk setup, and after stumbling across Ali Abdal's YouTube video on his mechanical keyboard, I thought to myself this would be a great place to start, but one that is more affordable, because who would have known that mechanical keyboards tend to be so expensive. So here we have it, the Royal Clutch RK61 wireless keyboard, which I purchased from Amazon for $64.99. Quite an interesting name. So in the box we're greeted by some manuals, a piece of paper, as well as the actual keyboard itself. I tend to unbox things like an excited kid on Christmas, as you can see here, just ripping it off, like completely, no elegance whatsoever, but here we have it. So one of the things that I really like about this keyboard is how sturdy it is with the metal casing, as well as the very stealth look that it has. It looks pretty cool. And we have our USB-C port in the back, right in the center, which looks pretty cool. And I like the sound of the keys especially, look at that. Yeah, the sound it makes is pretty cool. It kind of sounds like a typewriter. Also in the box is your USB-C cord, as well as your tool that you'll use to lift the keys from the mechanical keyboard if you wanted to change the switches beneath to something more quieter. Another cool feature of this keyboard is the orange LED backlight, which you can adjust the brightness to and also select different light display modes that suit your preference. Well, there you have it, the Royal Clutch RK61 wireless mechanical keyboard. I've included a link in the description just in case you too are on the market for a new keyboard.